down is a part of the reason for that, right? When you think about the last couple of years, and we talk about this in a report we published this morning, the magnitude of IPOs and SPACs that came to the market was really off the charts for fintech. In fact, we had $200 billion of more capital that's publicly traded in the market now for fintech from just new publicly traded names, IPOs and SPACs in the last 2 years alone. And so the scarcity value question was coming up and valuations were high, which made it hard for M&A. However, with this reset lower on valuations, I absolutely think not only are you going to see some banks look to acquire into some of these fintech offerings to help accelerate growth, but some of the compounders or the legacy fintech stocks that have used to be very good acquirers probably will do more today and more this year. We're thinking FIS will buy some assets, PayPal, Visa, MasterCard are probably all going to be on the hunt for good tuck-ins.
Interesting. Darren, I want to go back to something you said a couple minutes ago. I think you said it's been rare to see fintech underperform repeatedly. I might have mentioned 2010 and 2016 being exceptions.
Yeah.
But hasn't everything sort of outperformed over the past 12 years? So how do you determine what the baseline is for what might happen in the future?
Well, first of all, I'm looking at our space relative to the S&P, the market. And I'm talking about literally every year other than 2010 and 16 that the median performance of the fintech stocks outperformed the S&P performance. And so it's really not just that they went up, it's they went up a lot more than the market. I'll take it a step forward, actually. When we think about going forward, we polled investors over the last week about 22 and beyond. And 51% of investors that we polled expect fintech to outperform the market by up to 10% this year. And 22% expect them to outperform by more than 10%, given we're coming off the year we just had. But for what it's worth, we need a barbell approach. Some of the growth stocks that are the best names on that category, we really do need some of the value-centric fintech names also.
Darren, thanks for being with us. Your insights appreciated as always.